Hey friends, welcome to our channel Manahil Zoya Fan Club. Let's learn compound words. What are compound words? Combining two or more words to create a new word are called compound words. Sun, flower, sunflower. Hand, bag, handbag. Rain, bow, rainbow. Tooth, brush, toothbrush. Water, melon, watermelon. Cup, cake, cupcake. Ear, ring, earring. Butter, fly, butterfly. Foot, ball, football. Lips, stick, lipstick. Play, ground, playground. Snow, man, snowman. Star, fish, starfish. Hot dog, hot dog. Arm, chair, armchair. Dragon, fly, dragonfly. Basket, ball, basketball. Chick, peas, chickpeas. Pen, cake, pancake. Friends, I hope you have learned a lot in this video. So please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Manahil Zoya Fan Club. See you next time. Bye.